Looking for a delicious way to shed those extra pounds? Smoothies might be your answer. These delightful drinks are not only tasty, but can also be an effective tool for weight loss. Hello friends, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. A lot of us want to slim down and look good and be healthy. I'm going to show you that all you need is a blender and a good attitude. Without further ado, let's get into it. Smoothies have become incredibly popular for weight loss due to their versatility and convenience. They allow you to pack a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients into one easy-to-consume meal. Smoothies can be nutrient-dense, yet low in calories, making them perfect for weight loss. They provide essential vitamins and minerals while keeping your calorie intake in check. I especially love fiber-rich ingredients in smoothies because they are crucial for feeling full longer. Ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and seeds help curb hunger and prevent overeating, supporting your weight loss goals. Adding protein to your smoothies can help build muscle and boost metabolism. Protein keeps you fuller for longer and aids in muscle repair, making it essential for effective weight loss. Healthy fats are crucial in smoothies for sustained energy. Ingredients like avocado, chia seeds, and nut butter provide essential fatty acids, keeping you fuller longer and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Let's dive into our first weight loss smoothie recipe. Berry Blast combines antioxidant-rich berries with a splash of almond milk, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Blend 1 cup of mixed berries, half a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey. Enjoy a refreshing, nutrient-packed Berry Blast that aids weight loss. Next up, a green powerhouse smoothie. This green detox blends nutrient-dense spinach and kale with a banana for sweetness and coconut water for hydration, creating a revitalizing drink perfect for detoxing. Blend 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of kale, 1 banana, and 1 cup of coconut water. Enjoy this green detox smoothie to cleanse your system while boosting your nutrient intake. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Craving something tropical? Try this! A tropical smoothie can transport you to a sunny beach while helping you stay on track with your weight loss goals. The Tropical Delight smoothie combines pineapple and mango, offering a refreshing and nutritious beverage. Blend 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, 1 banana, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. The best part is that customizing your smoothies is easy. Adjust the sweetness by adding honey or swap fruits to suit your preferences and dietary requirements, ensuring you enjoy every sip. Avoid high-calorie mistakes by steering clear of sugar-laden ingredients like flavored yogurt or juice concentrates. Opt for natural sweeteners and whole fruits to keep your smoothies healthy. Prepping smoothie ingredients in advance saves time and ensures a quick, nutritious option is always available. Store pre-measured portions in freezer bags for a hassle-free, healthy start to your day. For the perfect smoothie texture, start with liquids, then add soft items, followed by greens and frozen fruits. Blend until smooth, stopping to scrape down the sides as needed. Real-life success stories highlight the transformative power of smoothies. Individuals have shared how incorporating nutrient-rich smoothies helped them achieve weight loss goals and improved overall health. Nutritionists often recommend smoothies as a convenient way to consume essential nutrients. Experts suggest balancing fruits, vegetables, protein, and healthy fats to create a well-rounded, satisfying meal replacement. Incorporating smoothies into your diet can provide numerous benefits, including weight loss, increased energy, and improved digestion. They offer a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Try these smoothie recipes and share your results in the comments. Embrace the power of nutritious smoothies and see the positive changes in your life.